What is financial modeling? Financial modeling is the process of building a dynamic Excel-based representation of a company's financial performance. It helps professionals analyze, forecast, and make informed business decisions. Why is financial modeling important? Financial models help answer questions like, should we invest in this company? What is the business worth? Should we launch a new project? Is this acquisition financially viable? Data-driven decisions start with a financial model. What does a financial model include? A standard financial model typically includes income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, financial ratios, and assumptions. All statements are interconnected. Types of financial models. Popular models include three-statement model, discounted cash flow (DCF) model, leveraged buyout (LBO) model, merger and acquisition (M&A) model, budgeting and forecasting models. Each model serves a different business purpose. Who uses financial modeling? Financial modeling is a core skill for investment bankers, equity research analysts, corporate finance professionals, private equity and venture capital analysts, FP&A teams. Key skills required. To build effective financial models, you need advanced Excel accounting fundamentals, financial statement analysis, valuation techniques, business and industry understanding. It's more than just Excel, it's business thinking. Real-world applications. Financial models are used for company valuation, budgeting and forecasting, mergers and acquisitions, fundraising and investment decisions, risk analysis. Every major financial decision relies on modeling. Common mistakes beginners make: hard coding formulas, ignoring balance sheet links, unrealistic assumptions, poor formatting and documentation. A good model is accurate, transparent, and easy to audit. Why financial modeling is a career accelerator. Mastering financial modeling can open doors to careers in investment banking, equity research, corporate finance, private equity consulting. It's one of the most sought-after skills in finance. Financial modeling isn't just about spreadsheets, it's about transforming financial data into strategic business decisions. Master this skill, and you'll be prepared for some of the most rewarding careers in finance. Advance your career with CFI education, FMVP, CIBRA, CDBA, CFA Prep. www.cfieducation.in